Alright guys, we change this DEF pump filter out. Diesel exhaust fluid is what DEF stands for. So 1 and 13/16 socket fits this. And just take it off. And there's a filter in there. They leak a little bit of DEF, but it's not too bad. It's something you can wipe up with a rag on the floor. Every time I hit this record button, that compressor kicks on. Never fails. Alright, sometimes you gotta get a pair of pliers on it to get it out. And that's it. She's out. You get the new one. And that's the part number for the new one. It comes with this oil. Highly recommend you put this oil on these O-rings so they don't tear. Put some on the filter itself. Put the filter up in there. And I stick this on here. If you don't do it this way, it will guarantee it to leak. And put some oil on this O-ring on top. So, this one. You don't have to be real tight. Oh, heavy in that. That's it. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna take this time and thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See ya.